Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel TDEV class. My name is Tejiri. So today I'll be taking you to the step-by-step process on how to set up Livewire PowerGrid on your Laravel application, Laravel version 10. Now the minimum requirement for this project are listed here, which are PHP version 8.1, Alpine version 3, Livewire, Laravel version 9, Bootstrap version 5, Tailwind version 3. Now if you have this set up on your project, you're good to go. But if you are not, we'll be doing it together as we go along. Now at the end of this video, this is how the project which we'll be working on will look like, which we have field filter and a search at the top right corner, just like this. So by the time we get back, we'll continue the step-by-step process. Hi there, welcome back to the tutorials. So what I've done so far is installing a fresh Laravel application with two tables, which are the user table and the employee table. Now the employee table is what I'll be using for these tutorials to demonstrate how to set up Powergrid data table on your application. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and search for Laravel Powergrid. You click on your first search result and you select get started. Then you select install. Then you select the script and run it in your command prompt. This is going to take a while depending on the speed of your internet connection. While we're waiting for this installation process to complete, please take a moment to subscribe to this YouTube channel, as well as to hit the notification bell so you get notified as soon as I release my next video. And also, if you have a question, don't forget to ask your question in the comment section below. So I had to pause the video for a while for the installation process to run. It was taking quite a long time and I don't want these tutorials to be a long one. So the next thing to do is we'll scroll down and then you select the next command and paste in our command prompt. Now step 3 is optional. For the sake of this video, I'll be skipping that process. You can go ahead to read it up and understand what it does. So I'm moving to the configuration process. You simply select npm install Alpine JS. Then you scroll down and you select the next command. Then you open your code editor and head to JS app.js. Resources, JS app.js. You paste it here. You save. Head back to our configuration step. I'll be leaving the theme as a default theme, but if you prefer to use Bootstrap, you could go ahead to edit it to change. This is how to edit it. Let me show it to you. You come over to HTTP app and you select HTTP. Now you come to app and you select configuration. You select Livewire PowerGrid. As you can see here, they have two themes you could select. So that's how to change the theme. You just uncomment and comment the other one. So moving to step 2, which is okay. Step 4, we don't need that. We'll be going ahead to set up our JIT production. You copy this and paste it in our tailwind.configuration.js. tailwind.configuration.js. Yes, here. Don't forget to save. Then 4.3, I'll be skipping it, but if you wish to change the default theme of Livewire PowerGrid, this is where to do it, in Tailwind configuration file. I won't be needing that also. So that's all about the configuration. We head over to install Livewire on our system. So you say, okay, this is it here. I already opened it before. All these links will be pasted in the description link below, so you can find the links to this website. So you scroll down, you select install the package, you paste the command composer require livewire. Okay, so I had to pause the video there. So our installation process is complete now. We scroll down, and all you have to do is copy the style, Livewire styles, and paste it in. You head over to resources. Under resources, views, then you click on layout. You select app.blade.php. In the header section, you just paste in Livewire styles. You do the same thing for the script. You copy the script. In our code, you head down to the body. Just before the body closing of the body tag, you paste in your Livewire script and you click on save. That's all you have to do. So if you've done that successfully, congratulations. So now we're heading back to PowerGrid website so we can set up our first PowerGrid table. So you copy this command. To set up a PowerGrid table, you simply type this command, but for me, I'll just go ahead to copy and hit enter. It prompts you to enter the name of the table. So I'll be naming this table employee table. You hit on enter. I'll be going ahead to use Eloquent Builder. You select 0, you hit on enter, and then you enter the name of your model, which my name of my model is employee. You hit on enter, and I'll say yes, I want fillable, and that is it. That's all. So you just select the tag, head over to your code where you want your table to be shown on your website. For me, I want it to be on the dashboard blade, so I'll click it. I'll be replacing this section of the code with our newly generated Livewire PowerGrid table. Don't forget to hit save. Now, one more thing before I go to the browser, you'll need to run npm run dev, so as to build the whole process which we've done. Once that is complete, you come back to your browser. I'm already logged in, so when you click on refresh, you should see our table. Okay, so this is how it looks. It was successful. So you can see the default settings for Livewire PowerGrid table comes with filter as well as paginator. On this table, I have 50 record. You could see that you could display the number of record you want to display, and then you could search as well. Let's say you're looking for this name, and then you could see the result, search result. You can also paste that in here in the search bar and hit on enter, and it brings the record. So that's all for these tutorials. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's how you show your support if you like what you see. And if you have any question as regarding the installation process, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section below. Thank you.